Every day, in homes across the world, we reach for cleaning products, aiming to banish dirt and germs. Yet, beneath the promises of sparkling surfaces lurk hidden dangers. Conventional cleaners often contain harmful chemicals that can pollute our air and waterways, affecting our health and the planet. Studies reveal that prolonged exposure can lead to respiratory issues, skin irritation, and even more severe health risks. But there's hope. Eco-friendly alternatives, harnessing the power of natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils, offer a safe and effective solution. These green products clean with the same vigor, but without the toxic trail. As stewards of our environment, the choice is ours. Embrace the power of safe cleaning and protect your home and planet. Choose green, act responsibly, and make a difference today.